The Golden Touch, a short moral story. Once upon a time, there lived a greedy king named Midas. He was already rich, but his desire for gold knew no bounds. One day, he helped a stranger who turned out to be a magical being. Grateful, the stranger offered Midas a wish. "I wish that everything I touch turns to gold," Midas declared eagerly. The wish was granted. At first, Midas was overjoyed. He touched stones, leaves, even furniture, everything shimmered into gold. But soon, his joy turned to despair. When he touched his food, it turned to gold, inedible. Thirsty, he grabbed a cup of water, only to see it harden into golden ice. Then tragedy struck. His daughter ran to embrace him, and the moment he touched her, she turned into a golden statue. Midas cried out in horror. His golden gift had become a curse. Desperate, he begged the magical stranger to take back the wish. Seeing his sorrow, the stranger took pity and reversed the spell. Midas hugged his daughter tightly and learned to value love over riches. From that day on, Midas lived a simple life, grateful for what he had. Moral: greed can blind us to what truly matters. Wealth means nothing without love and happiness. Thank you for watching.